Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We have a jam-packed compilation of Tacomas for you guys to enjoy today. We're going to start off with this Blue Crush Metallic Tacoma that we're installing a Billstein 5100 setup on all around with some Old Man Emu front lift springs, SPC ball joint upper control arms, and a Deaver out-of-leaf system in the back. And for some new kicks on this one, we're installing a set of 17 by 8.5 zero offset Method MR305s in a double black finish that we're wrapping up in a 285/70/17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KL2 tire. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We publish on here quite frequently a bunch of Toyota truck content if that's what you're into. And if you guys are regulars and have already subscribed, welcome back and thank you for your continued support. Our shop, 88 Rotors Off-Road, is located in sunny Southern California. We're in the city of Baldwin Park to be exact, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone during regular business hours, or you can message us 24/7 through our website at a contact form by clicking on the link in the description below. With our new Billstein 5100 lift package installed on the vehicle already with the new wheels and tires, we're torquing all 4 wheels and tires down to spec now and bringing it out for a quick test drive. If you like what you see here and want to purchase this kit for your Tacoma, check out the link in the description to see how you can buy a set for yourself. Next up, we have this white Tacoma that's in for a King setup. We're installing a King 2.5 remote reservoir coilover and shock setup all around on this one with some Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms. For the rear end, we're installing our Deaver out-of-leaf system. We're gaining about 3 inches of lift in the front end and about 1.5 inch in the back to level out the truck. For the wheels and tires on this one, we went with the all-new flow-form design of the RRW RR7H wheels. These are newer, they're lighter, and stronger being a flow form wheel like this. It's a 17 by 8.5 size, zero offset in a matte black finish that we wrapped in a 285/70/17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KL2 tire. The whole setup has been installed, so we're taking it out for a quick test drive before we hand the keys back over to our customer. Kings, 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 and more kings. Here's another 3rd generation Tacoma that's in for a King package with Camburg X-joint upper control arms. The rear's getting a lift with some OME Dakar leaf springs, and these right here are the non-adjuster setup. Wheels and tires on this one are the Method MR703s, which are a bead grip wheel in a 17 by 8.5 size with a zero offset. Tires are BF Goodrich all-terrain KL2s. Next taco coming in is going with a Fox setup. We're doing the Fox 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks, which are the factory race series on this one, with some Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms, and the rear's getting lifted with an Old Man Emu Dakar EL111R leaf spring with ARB bushings. As of today, January 8th, 2024, we are having a special on Fox suspension parts. If you're looking for something like this for your vehicle, make sure to give us a call and set up an appointment to get your setup installed. We hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. Clicking on the thumbs up and giving us a like now will not interfere with the video. Next up, we have this Lunar Rock Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4. This one's in for a king setup. King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks all around. We're doing the Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms on it with a Deaver at a leaf in the rear. Also doing this body mount chop right here so we can clear some 17 by 8.5 -10 SCS wheels that we're wrapping in a 285/7017 Falcon Wild Peak AT3W tire. Swinging over to this other Lunar Rock Tacoma, we're installing a Billstein 5100 setup on this one. 5100s all around with Oakman Emu front lift springs, SPC ball joint upper control arms, and our add-a-leaf system in the back. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're going with a Method MR703 bead grip wheels in a bronze finish. It's a 17 by 8.5 size, 0 offset, and we're wrapping it up in a 285/7017 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2. Our tech has installed the add-a-leaf on here and retaining the overload spring. The 5100 setup is what we consider our best bang for the buck setup. It won't break the bank, although it is a complete suspension lift. It comes with the springs, shocks, upper control arms, and rear add-a-leaf system. If you're looking for something like this for your vehicle and want to take the guesswork out of what to order, check us out at 88rodersoffroad.com or check out the link in the description. We sell all of the components needed and offer them pre-assembled as well. That way you can get them and install them right out of the box. The whole suspension setup, wheels and tires have been installed, and the tech is now torquing all 4 wheels and tires down to spec. We're going to bring it out for a test drive next. This right here is pretty much going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys. We greatly appreciate it, as always. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. Until then, take care, guys.